Consuming Fortagen while fasting. Now, this has been kind of a controversial topic because there is a caloric load to Fortagen. It is 4 calories per serving. So as we discussed earlier in some of the fasting detail videos, that's not going to screw up your fasted period. It's also an appetite suppressant. So it can help with the fast, help extend the fast, just keep you from being hungry or angry or whatever. But you can train when you're fasted if you provide the body with the proper essential amino acids. And this experiment has been run anecdotally by a lot of X3 users where they just train in a fasted state while intaking Fortagen. When they rehydrate after the fast, they can, and we've seen this in DEXA scans, they'll rehydrate and have more muscle mass than when they started. I ran this experiment, Maykel ran this experiment, and you can see those by looking in the users group. It's something that's encouraged. Now, theoretically, when you take in Fortagen, I'm saying this theoretically because this has not been studied, we might be amplifying autophagy because you're only providing the essential amino acids, but for protein synthesis, we need the rest of the 20 amino acids. Where are they sourced from? Well, they have to be sourced from within the body. Fat cells, old protein cells. So to make the protein, you need to be harvesting old protein cells. And like I mentioned, the burn on my arm that shows my fraternity letters says sigma phi epsilon there. It used to be very pronounced and very high scar sticking off of my skin. In the last year or two, that has been consumed from the inside of my body, and I believe it is because of these autophagic processes that are happening while I'm training, taking Fortagen and no other calories. So this is a recommendation where you can continue to gain while rapidly losing body fat.